ELSS mutual funds may result in higher returns, along with tax savings. Find out how to choose the best tax-saving mutual funds. ELSS funds are the only mutual funds that provide investors with tax-saving benefits. ELSS stands for Equity-Linked Savings Schemes. ELSS investments are eligible for tax deduction under Section 80C of the IT Act, which permits you to avail a maximum of Rs 1,50,000 per annum in income deductions. ELSS is the only ATC investment that comes with the shortest lock-in period of 3 years. As compared to other ATC instruments, ELSS has the potential to generate considerably higher returns in relatively shorter investment duration. In fact, if you belong to the highest tax slab of 30%, you can save up to Rs 46,800 annually on your tax outgo by investing in ELSS. Before you invest in ELSS tax-saving mutual funds, you should be aware of the tax implications. You can get tax exemptions on long-term capital gains (LTCG) of up to Rs 1 lakh per annum. Any gains exceeding the amount of Rs 1 lakh are taxed at a nominal 10%. Now let's see the factors you should consider before investing in ELSS tax-saving mutual funds. The first and the most crucial factor in selecting tax-saving mutual funds is the fund's market composition. In general, ELSS requires at least 80% of its investment in equity instruments of large, mid, and small cap companies. The fund manager allocates the fund based on several fundamental factors such as market conditions, fund objectives, which should align with your own objectives and risk appetite. Essentially, you should choose funds with a steady investment pattern as opposed to funds that change their investment patterns frequently. You also need to consider the returns accrued by the tax-saving fund across various market cycles. You can do this by comparing the fund's performance in relation to its peers. Also look for funds providing consistent returns over the last 8 to 10 years. Another factor to consider while investing in tax-saving mutual funds is the risk-to-return ratio. In general, higher risks often leads to higher returns, whereas if you invest in low-risk funds, you tend to accrue lower returns. As such, you should assess your risk-taking capacity and invest accordingly. Finally, to make sure you have invested in the best tax-saving mutual funds, you should consider various financial parameters associated with the fund, including trailing and rolling ratios, standard deviation, beta indicator, and Sharpe ratio.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.